What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set digits to save for home renovations. Are you planning a home renovation? Yeah, this can be really exciting but also expensive. With Digit you can prepare in advance by setting up a dedicated savings goal just for your renovation project. Let me show you what to do. So first, open the Digit app, log into your Digit account on your mobile device, or you can just go through the web dashboard. But once you're in, tap on Create Goal. Navigate to the Savings section and tap Create Goal or Add Goal. Now you're going to choose a goal name and category. So name your goal something like home renovations or kitchen remodel, whatever it is you need. You can be more specific, or you can just generalize like home renovations and stuff. And you can also choose a relevant icon and category such as home. Now set a target amount and deadline. Enter the total estimated cost of the renovation and, if applicable, set a target date for when you need the funds. This helps you to calculate how aggressively to save. Next, adjust saving preferences. You can customize how Digit saves for this goal. You can set savings frequency to daily, weekly, or only on paydays. You can also set to save extra on certain days or when your account balance is higher than usual. You can also enable or disable roundups if offered, to boost savings passively. 6. Monitor progress. Once the goal is created, Digit will begin automatically saving towards it, and you can track your balance, contributions, and estimated completion dates all from your goal dashboard. Pause or modify if needed. You can always pause, update the target, or withdraw from the goal if the renovation plans changes at any time. With consistent automated savings, you're going to be prepared when it's time to upgrade your home, of course, without disrupting your regular budget. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.